right, so for our grocery store activity, we got different prices of stuff and we got 2 different coupons. So we got 15% off our cheapest item. And then we got 25% off our entire purchase. All right, so first, we need to figure out what my total is for my groceries. So let's say I get a lemon that is 50 cents, and I get some milk that is $1.35, right? And finally, let's say I get some bread and it's 206. To make separate numbers a little bit. So none of these prices are realistic by any means. Okay, but first I need to figure out what's my total. Okay, what would I be paying total for my purchase without any of my coupons? Okay? But the thing is, we do have a coupon that's just for an item. So if I was to find this total here, I added all of these up, all right? That would be different than if I take 15% off the cheapest item. So this is the first thing I have to do. I have to find 15% off of the cheapest item. Well, my cheapest item is my lemon. Okay, so I find 15% of my lemon. I convert 15% to a decimal, and I find 15% of 50 cents, which is 0.075. So now this number, that's the discount. That is what I get off. So this number, I actually have to take it away from 50 cents. Okay, so now in order to do that, right, I need to subtract 0.50 minus 0.075. But the thing is, okay, when we're talking about money, we should always be rounding. All right, we should be rounding to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so when we're rounding, let's just extend our page here. Okay, when we're rounding this number here, we've got 0.075. We want to round to the nearest hundredth. So right after the 7, that's where the cutoff is. So when I look next to its buddy, okay, so I've got 0.07. Okay, it should be a 7, but I look at its buddy and it's 5 or higher, so this actually becomes 8. So what I'm actually getting off of my lemon is 8 cents. So instead of paying 50 cents for my lemon, all right, I'm going to be paying 42 cents for my lemon. Okay, so my lemon's going to be 42 cents. My milk has not changed. It is still $1.35. And my bread is $2.06. So now when I add all these up, 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 6 is 13, carry the 1. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So $3.83. All right, and you could double check these on your calculator if you're allowed to use your calculator for a question like this. And it is in fact $3.83. Okay, so now that I've done this first coupon here, okay, going back, okay, I've done this cheapest item coupon. Now I need 25% off my entire purchase. Okay, so now we have to figure out what's 25% off my total. Okay, 25% off of my total. Okay, well my total is $3.83. Off means to multiply, and 25% we convert it to a decimal and we get 0.25. So when I add up, 25% of $3.83 is going to be 0.9575. Okay, here I will rewrite that here. Okay, that's the discount amount. But again, we need to round to the nearest hundredth because it's money. So I look to the buddy beside the hundredth spot. Okay, first one, this is tenths, this is hundredths, thousands, 10,000. Okay, so I need to cut it off after the hundredth spot. But I look at its buddy, is it 5 or higher? Yes. So it actually becomes 96 cents. Okay, and I get that off of my total purchase. So instead of paying $3.83, I get 96 cents off. So I'm going to be paying $2.87 for my total. Okay. And now the final thing, depending on what province you're in, all right, you have to calculate tax. Okay, so if I was in Canada, I'd calculate 5% tax. Let's say I'm in BC, where there's 5% GST and 7% provincial sales tax. Okay, so what I can do is instead of calculating these separately, I can combine them and say, well, I'm paying 12% tax in total. Okay, but remember, tax we need to add up onto our total. So first I have to find 12%. Okay, I need to find 12%. Now what I have to do is convert 12% into a decimal. Okay, so again, I move that decimal point 2 times, so I get 0.12 of my total. Well, my total now is $2.87. So when I take 12% of $2.87, I get 0.34444. And again, because it's money, we have to round to the nearest hundred. So I cut it off on the hundredth. I look at its buddy. Is it 5 or higher? No. So it stays as 0.34. Okay, but that's the that is my number of tax. Okay, tax we have to add onto our total. So now instead of paying $2.87, okay, with all those coupons, all that extra good stuff, now we have to add a tax. Okay, so we add tax. We add 34 cents onto our total. Okay, so when we add them up, we get $3.21. Okay, and that would be our final and full total of our values.